Hey guys, I'm happy to see you here. This is my first video here on this channel about Russian language, and today let's learn how to say hello in Russian. We discussed today formal and informal ways how to say hello. I will say you just most common ways how to say it. So the first way how to say hi is привет, привет, привет. This is, I would say, like a neutral word, nothing special in it, but you have to understand that we say привет only to the person who we already know, or who are maybe younger than us, or our friends, so this is informal word. But for the situation where we speak with our boss, teacher, I don't know, doctor, we cannot say it, it will be a bit rude, because this is informal word. And then we have also a formal word. Formal word is very long and kind of complicated to pronounce. And this is the word здравствуйте. 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 Здравствуйте, this word is, sound complicated, but this is very common word that we use actually in any situation, kind of formal conversation, or just that's the person who you respect a lot, who is older than you, you say здравствуйте. Also, how to say hello. You can say, of course, by different ways, like доброе утро, доброе утро, доброе утро. Доброе утро means good morning. Добрый день. Добрый день. Добрый день means good afternoon. And of course we have добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер means good evening. Добрый вечер. Also, we have another form similar to здравствуйте, and this is the word здравствуй. 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 I can say it's not so formal like здравствуйте, but still a bit formal. Like it sounds, you know, more official. If I would say здравствуй, for example, to my mom or to my friend, they will say, what? What did you say? But if you say it not to your close friend, or maybe just a person who you know not very good, you can say здравствуй. It sounds more, you know, literature. But in the situation where you speak with your family or your friends also can sound a bit strange. Also, how to be cute. You can say приветик, приветик, like the diminutive word that is also popular. I can say приветик, приветик, but I think that's you know, the words that Russian women speak between each other. Russian men are very serious, you know, they can say здорово, здорово. Здорово. This is the way of say hello, usually to your close friends, like здорово. Depends on who you are, what kind of person you are. You can say приветик or здорово, but this is two very different ways. And of course, both words are informal. Also, the words like hello, hi, ciao, salut. In Russian we also can say, but you know, we say it more like a joke, not seriously. So I didn't want to make this video long. I give you just the main information that you need, so stay with me. And also, if you are interested in learning Russian, you can book classes with me. All the links in description. Пока-пока!